shoot. No good. Good. So you want to get your hand in the middle. And now hand on the side. And now shoot. Yeah, perfect. Every time. Perfect. Let's see it. Good. Good. Perfect. 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 Come back. Give him the ball. Hand in the middle. Hand right in the middle. Yup. And now take that hand off early. Shoot. Yes. Perfect backspin. Tell them in French, Olivier. Perfect backspin. Find the seam. No. The ball here. So you get it. You adjust it to the middle. So this hand is in the middle. And you take that off early. Let's see. Yes. Yes. Perfect. You be better. Perfect. So, and then take this hand off a little bit early. Not bad. Not bad. All right, freeze. Steph Curry, Olivier, when he was 12, 13 years old. Freeze. Stop. All right. When he was little, Kevin Durant did the same thing. They would lay in bed and watch TV, and while they were watching TV, they would just do this. And if they had follow through, the ball will come right back to them. So they just lay in bed and do this 500 times. Right? They are the best shooters in the world. Every great shooter does that. So you can do that when you go home. Tell your players to take that home and practice.
Donc ça, c'est le genre d'entraînement que les joueurs peuvent faire même chez eux, en train de regarder la télé, être sur le canapé. C'est des joueurs comme Kevin Durant ou Steph Curry qui s'entraînent à faire ça, même assis avec un ballon. Tu shootes, et le ballon doit revenir. Donc avec un spin idéal, dès que tu shootes, le ballon va revenir. Et en faisant ça plein de fois, ça va permettre au tir d'être toujours bien aligné par la suite.
And this can be part of their warm-up. 2 minutes, they can get 20, 30 shots. The next part is we do the hop step. So now we flip the ball and we hop and we shoot it to each other. So no more 1-2. The hop step is a quicker shot, and this is where you use it. If your back is to the sideline and you're getting a pass, it's a quicker shot to hop and get it off. All right? I didn't shoot that good, but the perfect backspin got me that roll. So one more time, I'm low. You pass the ball, Eric. I'm low. On the catch, I hop. I shoot. All right, so that's another drill you can do. But right now, we break it down and we hop and shoot to each other. Here we go. Here we go.
Ça, c'est la suite avec le petit spin qui va avant. Pour après se mettre en position et après tirer. Ça, c'est
Good. Good. Backspin. More backspin. More backspin. Perfect. Find seam. They tell them find seam. Good. Good. Let's see. Nice. Yeah, better.
C'est la même chose. La même chose.
A little early. Good.
Un petit peu avant de tirer.
Little more backspin. Good. Perfect. Perfect. Good. All right, so again, in 2 minutes, they can get 30, 40 repetition shots. And anytime, Olivia, you are teaching, you break it down in steps. The whole game. Anytime, coaches, you break it down in steps. So you do this first for 2, 3, 4 minutes. After maybe a week, you don't have to do it anymore. Then you go on the court.
Donc le tout, c'est de aussi bien segmenter cette partie-là, c'était la partie évoluée du premier entraînement. Mais ça, c'est le genre de choses que vous pouvez donner à vos joueurs en tant qu'échauffement, faire ça à 3-4 minutes, ou faire 30 répétitions. Et après, une fois que vous avez fait cet enchaînement-là, vous pouvez passer sur l'enchaînement qu'on vient de faire pour après évoluer. Toujours segmenter en différentes parties les échauffements et les entraînements comme celui-là.
So next thing, we're going to work out shot fake. Tell them a shot fake is simply a shot that they don't Nothing changes. It's a shot that they don't take.
Donc là, maintenant, on va passer aux feintes de tir. Donc les feintes de tir, à chaque fois, ça va être comme si on prenait un tir, mais on ne prend pas, c'est en feinte de tir. Donc on flotte, et après,
Many players short the shot fake. They short it. The defense won't go for that. The defense is going to react to this ball and my eyes. So slower is better. Jokic, all the great ones do it. Slower is better.
Et donc sur les feintes de tir, quelque chose qui est primordial, c'est déjà ne pas garder le ballon au niveau de la poitrine, c'est pour faire comme si on montait au tir. Et les meilleurs joueurs à l'heure actuelle européens comme Jokic ou comme Doncic ne font ça pas trop rapidement, ils le font lentement, ils découpent bien le jet, et ça fait croire qu'on va monter au cercle alors qu'on ne monte pas au cercle.
Ricky Rubio, Carolino were great at this, and they were not good shooters, but they would go ball up, eyes up, and the defense would fly at them and they would try.
Et certains joueurs comme Ricky Rubio vont disséquer ce mouvement parfaitement. En faisant cette feinte, le défenseur va sauter, hop, un step, et il part au tir.
So look, it's ball up, eyes up. It's not here. Now, most coaches teach chest passes, but rarely can you ever throw a chest pass versus good defense. Because the defense is here. All right, play D on me. So we're going to work on a shot defense. We're going to work on a shot fake and what I call 2-to-1 pass. So you play me, shot fake, I step, 2-to-1, and be able to throw it around the defender's hands.
Très rarement, les passes, les chest passes vont être utilisées en match parce qu'il y a toujours un défenseur. Donc le coach a un entraînement où il va faire à chaque fois un joueur faire une fin de passe, après la passer sur le côté comme situation de match.
Versus good defense, you have to have the 2-to-1 outside hand. So I want you to practice shot fake. See what here? Ball up above your head. Yes. Now step, pass. Good. Here we go. Shot fake, 2-to-1. Here we go. Good. Step. Good. 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 All right, now, mix it and bounce pass. To feed the ball in the post. Many times you have to leave the hands, but if I happen to see a ball, bounce right hand. To me. Good. So work on it, bounce, yeah, wait a step, here we go. Good. And step around the defense. Good, freeze. And again, in 2 minutes, you get 15, 20 passes, left hand, right hand. You're teaching them how to pass the ball versus good active hand defense.
Pareil, en 2 minutes, c'est un déchirement assez simple pour leur permettre de faire à peu près 15-20 répétitions de chaque main, donc ce qui permet de parfaitement l'introduction pour la suite de l'entraînement.
One line, right here. Everybody on the ball. Get him the ball. Hold the ball, like we said. So now, we're going to work on form shooting, working on our footwork. Everyone follows their own shot and switches lines. So don't shoot at the same time. I go first. 1, 2, shot. I miss it. I go back, you shoot. All right, so we're working on everything, all our principles. I'll blow. I get my hand in the middle. I shoot the ball. All right, follow me, go. Here we go. Go. That's good. Perfect backspin. Good.
En note, on a parlé juste avant avec les back speed. Avec les champions d'avance, c'est très important en pratique sur le panier. Toujours mettre la main au milieu et sur la finition, enlever la main. Restez assez bas sur le tir. Restez bas.
Freeze. So now, to there, to the wing, and you work out all different spots. Once they get loose, then you move them back to the three.
Au tout début, sur l'espacement par rapport à vous en tant que coach, toujours se déplacer à différents spots sur le terrain. Une fois qu'il commence à bien gérer l'entraînement, et bien gérer cet échauffement-là, vous partez sur un côté.
You know, the majority of the shooters that made shots had hand in the middle, perfect backspin, took this off early. Tell them, watch my left hand. So it's here, on the shot, it's here. It's a one-hand, smooth shot. Kevin Durant, Lillard, Steph, all of them shoot with one hand. The right hand comes off early.
Donc les meilleurs shooters ont toujours leur main qui doit guider, qui s'enlève beaucoup plus tôt que les autres. Et finalement, le meilleur shooter tire à une main. Donc la main qui est sur le côté va se retirer assez rapidement.
Now there's a million drills you can do. If you only have one basket and you have this many players, we call this now two-ball line shooting. You can get hundreds of shots in 10 minutes. So you're up first. All right, you have a ball, no ball. All right, and then only 3 balls on each side, the others down, 3 balls. So now, we are working on shooting off the catch. We call the NBA catch and shoot. Our principles never change. I have no shoulders for legs. My eyes up. I am ready to shoot the ball. My footwork doesn't change. Either 1-2 or hop. The form doesn't change. Hand in the middle, elbow over the knee, follow through.
Donc là, sur les principes, on reste sur la même chose, soit sur les appuis alternatifs ou sur l'appui simultané, on reste sur exactement les mêmes principes qu'avant, sauf que cette fois on part sur du catch and shoot.
So now, shooting off the catch, you have to work on footwork and it's deception. Don't let the defense know where you're going. Tell them.
Donc là, après, sur le catch and shoot et sur les appuis, le but aussi, ça va être de pas indiquer à la défense où exactement le tri va partir.
So now, I am going to walk my man away. Footwork, come on, pass. I am going to shoot. I get the ball back. You go, 1 foot down, or no, you go, yeah, so you would have the ball. All right, you go. Yeah, 1-2, 1-2, shot. Then you go down. Yeah, you're not that far. Play me. If you're playing defense on me, defense. I just want to take you here, go, and then cut. Just one short, hard jab. The next man line goes, we get 1 million shots in 10 minutes. So you have the ball, you go. Good shot, go. Good shot, go. Good shot, go. Good basket, good. Watch the basket shooter. Don't let go in.
Sur ce genre d'exercice, regardez bien vos joueurs sur le backspin pour permettre de se faire peut-être leur tir. S'appuyer sur ce backspin.
Come back. All you guys, watch him. So a couple of you guys, when you shoot the ball, your footwork's good, but your left hand gets in the way. And that's what your shot does. Don't let your right hand, that's what he does. Do the same thing you did. Take it down. Good. Perfect. Almost got the ball. But it's a one-hand shot. Don't go through. All right, go. Not bad. Here we go. Good. Way to fly the middle. You gotta take the left hand off a little early. Not changing the shot. Take it off a little early. Tell them to take it off a little early. Beautiful! Yes! You gotta get back to it. So big fella. Some big fella, he's gotta get his left hand off early too. The big guy in the back.
Bien pour ça, on met sa main sur le shoot. Ça vient du chéri.
I agree. Hold on. And as coaches, get creative. So come up with different shots. So we're getting better in everything we do. Footwork doesn't change. I'm here, I come off. Shot fake, one triple pull-up. Back spin, got me the roll. Tell him I didn't shoot it great. The back spin got the roll.
Le coach accentue sur le backspin. Là encore, il vient de prendre un tir qui n'était pas le meilleur tir. Mais grâce au backspin, il a quand même pu marquer le shoot. Maintenant, sur cet entraînement-là, on peut faire énormément de variantes. Le but, c'est d'avoir énormément de shoot. Parce que ça, c'est un exercice où des deux côtés, il y a beaucoup de shoot. Donc maintenant, on peut faire des variantes.
You also teach them in the half court, when they catch the ball, they always go opposite where the ball came to stretch the defense.
Et à chaque fois qu'ils attrapent le ballon au poste là-bas, toujours prendre le ballon et partir de l'autre côté sur le shoot.
So if he passes me the ball, play defense. Defense. On him. On him. On him. So if he passes me the ball, jump to the ball, and I drive, where you go? Just right here. Come on. You don't want to drive back into defense. So he passes me the ball, but you're right there, you're guarding him. Right now, I go opposite. If this man helps, I pitch. So always opposite pass. So let's work on a shot fake, one dribble pull-up. Here we go. And now we're working on passing. Good pass. Good basket. Not bad. Free. My man right now, teaching you guys an example. First couple guys that passed, ball here. There was no defense on them. You have to teach your players to use their imagination. That anything they do, they're being guarded by a good player. One guy throw chest pass. No chest pass. Yeah. One guy just threw a chest pass because there's no defense here. My man, with no defense here, stepped and did a 1-2-2-1 pass. So they're getting better at everything they do. A couple more times. Shot fake. Good. Good. Here we go. Good. More backspin. Nice. Backspin. Good backspin. Got the roll. Backspin. Got the roll. Tell them.
Le backspin, super important, coach insiste
On
dessus.
three. So now you can go to the next shot. Let's work on finishing. Always teach your players to finish off 2 feet. So anytime they drive, come here, big fella, get there on defense. On the block. So back up. So now if you drive and go off one, block my shot. Block it. Block that shit. Joe, let me. Good. Block it again. Ball. Back up a little. Block it again. So teach them shot fake. My shot fake. Ball up, eyes up. So you always are in better position to play off two. Unless you just have no defense and it's a breakaway.
Donc en revenant au principe de fin de tir, sur un lay-up, ça va toujours être très simple quand il n'y a pas de défenseur faire un lay-up sur un pied. Maintenant, quand il y a de la défense et il y a une position, le coach accentue sur le fait que c'est toujours important d'avoir ces deux appuis ancrés dans le sol, soit fronter, soit monter au panier.
I tell all my players the story. Old wolf, young wolf, top of the hill. Tell them, old wolf, young wolf, top of the hill.
Donc, en français, je ne sais pas comment traduire ça, mais il y a le coach à une histoire qui raconte avec
Bottom of the hill, 30 sheep.
donc il partage avec un loup plus vieux qui va être en haut de la montagne et un loup plus jeune avec tous les moutons.
The young wolf says, let's run down, kill one of those sheep and have a nice dinner.
Et donc le jeune loup va dire en bas de la falaise d'aller tuer et manger tous les moutons.
And the smart, experienced old wolf says, let's walk down, kill them all, and eat for a year.
Ensuite, le vieux loup qui est en haut de la falaise va dire et patienter pour aller tuer tous les moutons par la suite.
The value of the lesson in that is slower is better. My shot rate was slow, and he flew by. If I would have did this, would have stayed down. You always have to change speed as a basketball player. Slow to fast, fast to slow, whether it's off the dribble or if I'm here. I'm slow, boom, I'm fast. Oh, but I still don't miss, 62 years old. Because I shot 10 million of those shots the same way every time.
Et sur les fins de tir, juste pour revenir sur les fins de tir, l'histoire, qui n'avait pas trop de sens que j'ai raconté, en fait au final, c'est pour parler sur la lenteur. Des fois, faire un pump fake ou faire une fin de tir qui est plutôt lente, on va pas forcément dire que c'est la pire, parce que justement, en montant bien nos paniers, le défenseur va monter pour essayer de contrer.
So now I'm gonna shot fake and what about finishing?
Donc maintenant, on va travailler sur les fins de tir et sur la finition au cercle avec opposition.
Nothing changes. Good footwork. If this were sand, you teach the players to dig their foot in the sand. It's a sharper, more effective cut. Dig it in and come off. The defense goes for that.
Et pour couper au panier, il y a une image que pour faire la coupe, c'est comme si le pied venait se planter dans le sable, bien planter le pied et après partir sur l'autre côté pour aller couper.
Stepping doesn't work. If I do this, you don't get open.
Donc c'est pas juste un petit step pour montrer, c'est vraiment planter son pied et partir.
It's all deception. I want to make this defender think I'm going there. If he doesn't take me, then I go. I take what he gives me.
Et c'est toujours dire la défense. Si sur le step le défenseur ne vient pas, on continue, on ne fait pas la coupe, on va les faire, on va les marquer.
So you can work on a million finishes. The first finish we're going to work on is a jump stop. So I'm going to come here, go opposite, jump stop, and jump into the defense, and hit with my inside shoulder, finish outside hand. Then we switch lines. Nothing changes. Ball behind. So watch. You can buy these on Amazon. The best teaching tool I've ever had. Every NBA player that I helped to become an all-star were because of this pass. You teach them how to use their body, you teach them to be physical, they get to the free throw line, they can work on shot fakes, and you foul shit out of them and make them tough.
Donc ces équipements que coach a sont des équipements avec lesquels il a entraîné de nombreux joueurs NBA avec les All-Stars, et c'est des équipements qui peuvent aider vraiment à travailler sur le physique. Donc vraiment, c'est fait pour rentrer dans le joueur et vraiment l'aider à finir au cercle.
If you teach your players this, you will shoot the most free throws of anyone in your league, which will translate to winning, but also by making them tough, you just increase their confidence. They feel better about themselves, and they start playing better in all areas, defense, hustle, rebounding, because they're like, shit, I'm a tough guy. I get beat up every day by my coach, and I can take it.
Donc ces équipements-là servent vraiment à travailler le physique du joueur, et non seulement ça va l'aider sur sa finition, mais ça va également l'aider à prendre confiance en lui sur sa défense, sur son impact physique au long du match. Donc c'est vraiment des instruments qui sont indispensables.
So now here's what you do. You may need two coaches. If you don't have any coaches, I call it the imaginary shoulder hit, where I imagine I'm jumping into it with my inside shoulder and finishing with my outside hand. Away from the defense, not shooting it into the deep. Shoulder, outside hand.
Et donc même s'il n'y a pas de coach ou de position sur ce côté-là, toujours dire aux joueurs d'imaginer le défenseur, rentrer avec l'épaule en avant, imaginer le contact, et monter avec la main droite, côté droit.
Tell him we're going to walk through, so take it down. Come up. Shot fake, freeze. Anywhere teach your players they are on the court, they are trying to play on a straight line. So if they're here, straight line, corner, straight line, it's the shortest distance to the basket. They're able to do it by using their eyes, so their eyes are on the defense, and they initiate contact. The first step, bam, they hit the defense, that's legal, as long as you don't push off. If the defense gives them a good bump, second dribble, second shoulder hit, get to the rim. All right, we're going to walk through. Here we go. Eyes on me. Eyes on me. Enemy. Not bad. But I got him all the way here. All right? I want you hit me again, hit me again. Yes. In the NBA, we call that bully move. This is an 80% shot. 60%, 55%.
Le coach insiste bien sur l'attaque qui doit monter sur le bump en défense, voir si la défense lui donne, et puis continuer à avancer.
Hey, come here. Come here. You're another good player. My man, come here. So now what you can do to break it down in steps, since we haven't played yet, you can take half on one basket, half on another, different coaches. So come here, you're right here. You are going to flip the ball, rip through, bam, bam, finish, okay? You are trying to hurt me with that inside shoulder. Put it in the middle of my chest. Tell him he cannot hurt me.
Tu peux pas lui faire mal, essayer de rentrer dedans à fond avec les mains.
In America, I'm called OG.
C'est le OG aux États-Unis.
My NBA players can't hurt me.
Même les joueurs NBA font pas mal.
But you want to initiate contact and punish that defense. It's a legal hit. It's not an offensive foul because they're on the side. I'm flipping. Other way, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Flip it. Flip it. Grip. No, I want you to use your left foot as your pivot foot. So your right foot and the ball always work together. So watch me. Flip, rip, and go. Okay? Ask him. I asked all my NBA players first time we did this. Is he scared of me? Are you scared of me? Then try to hurt me. Look. Wait. Come here. Come here. You're not ready. Come here. Stay here. So now I'm playing you like this. Your first step is here. Play deep. Come on. Bam. And one. So hit me like that. Unless you're scared. Here we go. Rip through. Yes. Not bad, but here, he didn't jump into me. So, you hit me here, jump into me. Go again, now look. First time he's ever done this. If I were here for 10 of these, he would have it down perfect. And then you don't need to work on it as much. Hit me. I drop in. Here we go. Hit me. Yes! That's right. Much better. Third time. Very important lesson, teach your guards. On the finish, all young players long jump. And they don't have a touch. So you got in here, and you long jump. Out of bounds. High jump. Teach them the high jump. So they rip through, boom, high jump. If they miss it, they're right back on. Same thing. And again, if I had this team for 1 hour doing this, in 1 day, it would translate. 1 day. Start here. Yep. Go right to the rim. Boom. Finish. Stay low. Yes. Unbelievable. His 4th time doing it. Imagine when he does 100.
C'est seulement sa 4e fois, donc imaginez au bout de 100 fois, 200 fois, 300 fois, qui comprennent et qui vraiment rentrent dans le panier et à la fin, va finir.
It also is teaching him to be tough mentally, and now his opponent is like, oh shit, I better play my A game, this dude's coming at me.
Et même mentalement, sur la confiance en soi, c'est des exercices qui vont beaucoup aider vos joueurs parce qu'après, avec une telle opposition, avec l'intensité que le coach met, derrière, ça fait des gars.
Now the hard one is going left. So now, you flip it, you shot fake jab, go left. He's not used to going left, so he's probably going to avoid me and be scared and end up here. But after 2 or 3 times, he will get it. Straight line, bam, bam, hey! Okay, here we go. Into me. Okay, so, inside shoulder, outside hand. I should never get that ball. So watch, I get in, take defense. No ball. Get up here. So I get in here, hit the ball. Can't hit the ball, because I got committed. I hit you here, ball's here. You show me the ball. Here we go. So look, we're learning. We're getting better. 1 or 2 possessions. Here we go. Hit me. Not bad, but where's your jump? You need high jump or long jump? Long jump. So come in here. Boom. High jump. I'll remind you. Here we go. High jump. Yes. I hit him just as hard, but because he went into me, he was on balance. So, we don't have a lot of time, but you can do this drill off the shot fake. You also can do this, back up. So now, go back. We alternate finishing off the dribble.
Et donc maintenant, on va alterner avec la finition avec dribble.
Because we were short for time, I skipped a step, ball here. In 5 minutes, you make 5 lines. Tyler, 5 lines.
Là, en 5 minutes, on peut faire 5 lignes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First line has the ball.
Donc la première ligne a le ballon.
You work on all the game dribbles that you use in the game. All the dribbles you use in the game, Tyler.
Donc là, on peut utiliser sur cette ligne-là tous les dribbles possibles en match.
Your principles don't change. When I have the ball, we're shoulder. My eyes are up. The lower I am, the quicker I am that I can handle this ball. Alright, I can't dribble anymore, I'm old. Alright, but teach them the Hezo dribble. Hesitate, stop and go, herky-jerky. All the great ones have it. It's not how fast you are. It's all both. Slow and fast. Fast and slow. So we call that the NBA Hezo dribble.
Donc c'est important aussi sur tous les différents types de dribbles, notamment le dribble d'hésitation. Et coach insiste bien sur le fait d'être rapide, mais aussi de couper avec des mouvements plus lents et toujours varier entre lenteur, rapidité et inverser sur des changements.
In 5 minutes, you can get your whole team a bunch of dribbles, game situation, game move dribbles, half court back. So you start, your first leg is heads over and go. So you come down, heads over, go. Heads over, go. Heads over, go. Then you come back, heads over, go. Use a little head fake. Alright, next group goes. If there's some dribbles early on, they need more work, make them do those twice.
Sur certains dribbles un peu plus compliqués, un peu plus complexes, on peut faire un aller-retour, voire 2 allers-retours. Et l'objectif, c'est vraiment en 5 minutes. En 5 minutes, on peut avoir énormément de dribbles qui sont utilisés en match.
Then you work on the crossover. Again, the crossover tell them is footwork.
Le crossover, c'est un gros travail de jambe et d'hésitation.
I'm slow. I make my defender think I'm over here. I plan the whip. I jump at him with my outside foot, and the ball is below my knee, so the defense can't get it. It's not here. Can't whip. So you do that. Another dribble between the legs. It's just a crossover between the legs. Between the legs, crossover between the legs.
Crossover, mais la jambe.
You just want to throw it at your back heel. So I'm here, bam, I throw it at my back heel, bam. But again, I'm changing speeds with the between the legs. Teach them to hop and go. So I freeze him, boom, I have to go back. Freeze him, boom, I have to go back. So he said that.
Et encore une fois, on reparle du changement de rythme et l'importance de changer de rythme sur le ballon qui va rester plutôt lent sur la montée. Et dès qu'il va passer un crossover sous la jambe, on accélère, après on repasse, et après il y a à chaque fois un petit saut.
Coach them while they're doing it. If they don't change speed, make them run again.
Et s'ils ne changent pas de rythme et qu'ils sont toujours au même rythme, vous leur dites de recommencer l'exercice et de recommencer au départ.
Behind the back. I'm slow, boom, back, behind the back. Give me that ball for a moment. I'm slow, boom, fast, behind the back. Boom, fast, behind the back. Back and forth, slow to fast, behind the back.
Toujours sur les changements de rythme, lent, puis rapide, sur tous les types de rythme.
The best one you can teach your players is the blow-by, back off. So play me. He's quicker, stronger, faster, but I am going to control him because I have a tight handle and I change speeds. So ready, play me. I'm going to blow by you, back him off. Recover. Blow by him, back him off. So it's a pressure release move to take away the defense's advantage of quickness.
C'est sur ces changements de rythme-là que même si la défense est plus athlétique, plus rapide, sur ces changements de rythme-là, l'attaque peut contrôler la défense.
Tony Parker was great at this.
Tony Parker était notamment un des meilleurs dans ce domaine-là.
And when you blow by, you always put your body between the ball and the defense.
Et toujours mettre son corps en avant par rapport au ballon.
So when I go by, you reach for the ball. Ready? Reach for it. Reach for it. He can't get it. Because I change speed. So that is a great ball handling setup. Here's where you also use it. Pick and roll. Big here. So anytime your guards are using a pick and roll, teach them to wait. So many young guards, young wolf, what do young wolf want to do? Go fast. So he sets the screen, and I leave early. Who's the screen? My fault. So now back up. I run him in. Set it. He's done. He's done. All right. I get him below the screen. At the end, we call that running. Body between the ball. Physical. All right, I go. I can't dribble, dead ball. I'm old, I'm out of shape, but you get the point. Now, the other great one is the blow by back. So get here. I blow by you, boom, look where he is now. You gotta let him be here. So now I already got him dropped off. All right, roll, pocket pass. So you can teach the pick and roll setups, pick and roll passing, okay? So, different finishes. So you get some shoulder hits. There, then, shot fake. So now the next one, ball up, eyes up, step through. You can have a James Brunson double, shot fake, double pivot. He's great at getting in here, shot fake, maybe another shot fake to a fade J. So let them experiment with the footworks and the shot fakes. Tell them.
Donc sur le pick and roll, encore une fois, coach revient sur l'importance de l'offensive. Le joueur qui a le ballon va contrôler le rythme et sur les pick and roll, c'est lui qui va guider. Donc sur les changements de rythme, il va aussi attendre que l'écran soit bien positionné. Ensuite, pour toutes les finitions, sur les techniques d'entraînement, on peut varier. Soit des finitions avec une fin de tir, soit une finition avec l'épaule avec opposition, soit sur une opposition en layup.
So now, many times, this is the baseline Rondo shot fake. All the NBA players do it. They get downhill and they beat the defense. So they feel you chasing me. They get in here, Rondo. Rondo fake. either shot or step through. But again, I'm a fan. Ball up. They're going to react to this ball up. Teach that move.
Toujours insister sur la fin de tir. Le tir doit vraiment monter en hauteur et pas juste au niveau de la poitrine. Il faut vraiment faire croire aux défenseurs. Apprenez toujours à vos joueurs de monter la balle en hauteur sur une forme de tir.
And when you watch your team in practice and you watch them in games, be creative as a coach. You see a finish that happened in the game that they missed, recreate that in practice. So maybe come weak side, go for my toe, go for my fake. So maybe you come in here, shot fake, reverse layup. All right, anytime you are doing drill work, make them work on their weak hand. So they don't need, if they're right-handed, they don't need practice on a right-hand shot, unless it's the shoulder hit. So anytime they're going right, work on the shot fake, left hand. So their left hand is as good as their right.
Toujours insister sur la main faible, notamment sur les fins de tir, où généralement le défenseur va venir pour essayer de contrer. Toujours après, essayer de finir sur la main faible du joueur.
Now you're maximizing every repetition. So he could probably make 10 out of 10 with his right hand. He doesn't need to practice that. Shot fake left hand. Reverse pivot fake jump shot. Double shot fake. If they're a lefty, where's my lefty? My lefty, get out of the way. If he tries it left, shot fake, work on the right. Work on the right. In any drill you do, make them work on their left hand.
Toujours les faire travailler sur la main faible, donc à gauche si c'est beaucoup droitier, ou la main droite si c'est les gauchers.
Okay? Because in the NBA, University of America, all coaches have what we call KYP. KYP, tell them.
Donc, tous les coachs aux États-Unis, ils ont quelque chose qu'on appelle le KYP.
And they know your personnel. So if you're my coach and I'm guarding Olivier, we watch film. We're like, Olivier has no right hand. He shoots everything with his left hand. If you tied his left hand up at the dinner table, he would starve. He couldn't even feed himself. Tell them that.
En fait, c'est quelque chose qu'on doit connaître ses joueurs et son partenaire. Et notamment, moi, si je suis gaucher, il y a des joueurs qui ne peuvent pas vraiment utiliser leur main faible. Donc c'est super important de connaître les mains faibles et les points forts de chaque joueur.
Especially with young players, I guarantee the next team you play, when you scout them, the majority of the team goes one way. If they're right-handed, they go right. So don't let them go right. Make them go left. KYP, teach them. And then you don't even have to worry about it. You tell me, BAYNO, we got a game tomorrow, you better watch Olivier and tell me how you're going to guard it. You quiz them. You make them come back in and say, Coach, Olivier's right hand is absolutely broken. It might as well be cut off. I'm taking his left hand away and I'm making him go right. And I'm going to win that battle.
Et pareil sur les oppositions et sur quand vous étudiez les équipes adverses, si vous remarquez, chaque joueur va toujours aller sur son point fort. Donc l'objectif, ça va être à vos défenseurs de leur dire de les orienter pour qu'ils aillent sur un main faible à chaque fois.
So now here's another finishing drill. In 5 minutes, they can get 10, 15 finishes. He goes first, you go second. You can put a coach right here. So you can put a coach there. So now we are working on changing speed, transition, sprinting, full speed. I see the defense. Heads up, crossover, get in here, left hand shot. Work out all your triggers. You got crossover, you got between the legs, you got head up right, and now work on shot fake finishes.
Donc c'est sur ces exercices, travailler tous les types de dribbles que ont pu voir avant, mais aussi sur les feintes de tir et sur le shoot. Donc c'est vraiment l'exercice où on peut mettre toutes les techniques qu'on a fait avant sur les échanges, sur les exercices, en pratique sur cet exercice.
And you can script it, so you are going to head up, go by right, shot fake, reverse layup. Once he goes, you are going heads up. I don't care if you go between the legs or cross. Kicking in here. Shot fake. Left hand. Switch lines. Have a coach at each line to organize them. Ready, go. Go. Not bad. His shot fake was here. The defense will stay down. Ball up. Eyes up. The other thing. U.S. coaches have to demand your players practice at game speed. They're changing speeds. That was not game speed. That was half speed. You want to see my old ass show you what game speed is? You have to go hard. I'm here. Full speed. Oh, hands up. Shot fake. That's full speed. That's how you're going to play the game. You have to practice that way. Go again. Go, go! Go, shot fake! Go, go, go! Game speed! Go, go! Your shot fake was here. You don't need to practice right. Left, go! Stay low! Good, go! Good head on. Good imaginary shoulder hit. Imaginary shoulder hit. Good. Tell him he went half speed. Half speed. Good. Full speed. Good. Good. Hold. Go back. Hold. Go again. Go again. Watch. And not. All of you have been pretty good. Some of you are going half speed. Watch how fucking hard he goes. And watch how hard he goes. But changing speed. Go. Go. Good. Set. Good. Go. Go. Game speed. Good. Get back. Get back. Yes. Go. Game speed. Changing speed. Here we go. Stay low. Good. Yes. Now you take it better. Hey, the shot is still here though. Almost. I say almost, friend. Tell him. Good. Good left hand. Good. Good. Yes. Freeze. Now you can do a million things here. So now you can work on the rondo. Everything rondo is middle. Or no, you can go either way. So from here, hands up, defense chases me, sell it. Sell it. Shoulder hit. So they're adding moves to their game. Let's see. Go. Sell it. Sell it. Sell it. Get shit out of here. Wow. Did he shoulder hit me? If you would have shoulder hit me, I'd become a dummy. Go again. Good. Imminent. Yes. Yes. Big time. Hey. Nice. Double pivot. Left hand. Good. Go. Yes. Yes. Almost! Almost! Good! One more! Good! Not bad! The only other thing you can add, they may come up with more. If they watch, be creative, see a finish, say, oh, we're working on that finish today, we missed line of it, whatever it may be.
Encore une fois, coach insiste sur le fait que même c'est une situation de match, par exemple, si vous voyez un joueur qui va rater certaines situations, comme là, avec une finition, avec une feinte, essayez de reproduire exactement la même situation et de le refaire plusieurs fois.
Last one you can teach. This is Jalen Brunson. So, the Villanova coaches teach the best footwork in America. All the Villanova players have great footwork because they do this every day. So now, I'm here, I come middle, I'm here, and I fade away. All right, work on the right, here we go. Go. Baseline, baseline. Fade. Yes. Go. Middle, middle. Settle. Fade. Good, good. Baseline. Go. Not bad. You got good position. Go. But get deeper. Get to here. You work on that. That's another one. Come back to another one. Right now. One. Hey, hey. Here. 2, 3, 4. Big guy. Here. No ball. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Ball to the middle. Big lefty. Here. So now, if we were practicing to get more repetitions, I would use both sides of the court. So maybe 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7. I would have 3 there, 6 there, 7 here. So they get more reps. So now, you are going to teach them how to set up a pick and roll and how to read the defense.
Maintenant, ça va être du travail de pick and roll et comment lire la défense.
Defense. Tell him just token defense. So first one we're going to work on, and you're teaching him how to screen. So many times young players come up the screen and they take the wrong angle, and they screen and go through. They just let the defense go through. Terrible offense. There's a high angle screen, get in the ball. If he's up in the ball, because he's a shooter, I now know I'm setting a high angle screen. Put him down. Put him down. Now I cut. I screen. Go. He's done. Now you're reading the big. No. You don't want to let them shoot that. Because in the game, screen me. Screen me. In the game, I'm going to keep coming. Shoot. Shoot. Yeah, that's called a rear view challenge. You want them to engage the big. Make the big play you. If he's up, pocket pass. So you're going to roll. We're going to walk through. Butt it in. Set the screen. Engage me. Yes. Good. Big is up. Pocket pass. Here's the other thing you teach your guards. Read the defense. Hold the ball. Hold the ball. So look, you go to any university or club, if the coach is talking and you're talking, you're kicked out of the gym, probably kicked off the team. If I'm coaching them, I'm coaching you. Focus, mental, very important to help you. All right, so what was I saying? I lost my train of thought. Read the hands. So, I have high hands, low pass. Now, Horford's really good here. Low hands, high pass. Come again. Now, on this finish, Olivier, tell them he's right-handed. He does not need to work on a right-hand layup. So let's use every possession to get better. So maybe he shot fakes, imaginary shoulder hits, shot fakes, left hand reverse, shot fakes, step through, left hand, but work on things that are going to make him better. All right, here we go. Put him in, put him in. Terrible. So, listen. Hold on. First time doing it, I told him he has to engage the big. I'm the big. He just shot a running one-hander. Come on. He shot a running one-hander that almost got blocked. Terrible shot. So play defense, big guy. Play defense. Play defense. I'm coming off. Drop, drop, drop. Keep running. Make him play you. All good bigs. French parade. Cup, Euro League, NBA. They're great, and you teach your bigs and pick and roll to stunt. Stunt to stay with the roller. This is a low percentage shot. Stunt and stay. If they stunt, your counter for your guards, head keep your dribble till the big plays you.
Très important sur la phase offensive lors d'un pick and roll, toujours attendre quand le défenseur va suivre le porteur du ballon. Le but, ça va être de faire sortir le pivot de la raquette et le faire défendre. Donc il y a deux travails. Le travail en défense pour tirer à votre pivot, c'est de toujours avoir les mains actives pour être prêt soit à la passe, soit à monter au contre. Et pour l'attaque, le but, ça va être d'engager le pivot, lire la défense, voir s'il va venir sur le joueur, le porteur de ballon, soit il va rester sur le pivot et que l'offense peut choisir entre soit attaquer, soit passer et après prendre une décision.
In the NBA, you can do the same thing. Initially, to teach them to read, the coaches or the scout team or managers play defense because we determine the read that they have to figure out.
Et ça, c'est des critères qui sont notamment énormément étudiés en NBA. C'est comment la défense et comment le porteur de ballon sur les pick and roll va réussir à lire et à prendre une décision en fonction de ce qu'il a.
So now, to give them confidence, we're going to give them the answer to the test. We're going to tell them what to do. So you run them in, you're off. You set the screen. I freeze. Yeah, keep coming, keep coming. I go down. A lot of times this defender fakes and recovers late. Then you have eyes are always on who? Quiz your players. I'm going to quiz you guys. But your eyes are a lot of places. But if you're a pick and roll ball handler, who is the number one first person your eyes are on? Tell me.
Quand vous êtes sur un pick and roll,
all my NBA rookies got this wrong. So don't be embarrassed. Who are your eyes on? Who are your eyes on, coach? The big, because the big determines the read. Good answer. The big determines the read. So when I come off, play. Tell him to stunt and stay with the roller. So I come off, stunt and stay. Recover. All right, you make a late pass. So you hesitate, keep. If they recover, a creative late pass. Work on them with that. All right, so I'm going to be that big, and that's what we're going to do. You are going to engage me, and then at the rim, create a late pass. Once he screens you, stop. You're out of the play. So just make him set you up. Once he screens you, it's now 2-on-1. Back off. Ready? Go! Yes, go, next group, go, street. Wow, he showed me the ball. Hey, you showed me the ball. Jump stump, inside shoulder, outside finish, and one. Don't show them the ball. But he's learning. He's getting better. Here we go. Screen. Go. Anytime. Hold. Anytime you have a big at the rim, teach your guards to throw it up. Because big guys have a hard time catching it here. But they catch everything up here. Out here, it's a pocket pass. All right, here we go. Right. Yes! Not bad, but you see him present. Here we go. Screen. Not bad. Here we go. Defense. Good. Here we go. Please. So what happened? I stunted you, and you picked the dribble up, and I got back. Look, if your eyes are on me, it's like video games. You play video games? Do you ever play like this? You always look at the screen. The defensive big is the screen. If he stuns the headphones, keep it. He recovers, drop it off, go again. Here we go, screen. Here, you have a layup. Go again. Here we go. Yes. That time you have a layup or a pass.
Super important pour l'offensive, notamment sur l'écran, sur la phase défensive, toujours donc suivre, et sur la partie offensive, c'est vraiment regarder l'écran, regarder ce qu'il fait, c'est pas regarder le partenaire, c'est pas regarder le dribble, c'est regarder ce que l'écran fait, en fonction de ce que l'écran fait, il peut soit monter au layup comme il a fait, soit il peut faire la passe.
Here's another great read that no coaches are teaching your age group. It is hard to guard. All the great players use it. On a pick and roll drop, you fake pass. So watch. Offense, defense. Screen. Drop. Fake pass, keep. So show it to them. Fake pass, keep. If they recover late, drop off late. So it doesn't matter how the defense is playing you, Olivier. If their eyes are on the defense, they take what the defense gives them. You're teaching them to think and play. It makes your job easy as a coach.
Insister sur quand le porteur du ballon prend l'écran, il faut vraiment, une fois qu'il regarde le défenseur et analyse toujours les yeux sur le défenseur et sur l'écran. Et en fonction de ça, il prendra une décision.
Starts with the setup. All right. Waiting. Eyes on the bid. So now, blow by, back off. Nope. Ready? Watch. Back here. Blow by, back off. Come. Let's say you get under, twist, re-screen, roll. So anytime they get under, you twist and re-screen. Now, come here, go again. So now he gets under, look at how low we are. So now I come off. Take behind that pass. All right? So those are just some of the pick and roll reads. In 10 minutes, you just go non-stop with a coach here, mix up your reads. Last one. How many teams play pick and roll in their league?
Parce que beaucoup d'équipes jouent le pick and roll dans vos ligues, dans vos équipes.
As you get older, they have to learn how to play pick and roll. European leagues, 90% pick and roll. NBA, 90% pick and roll. University, 90% pick and roll. They have to be prepared. So now, hard hedge. Principles don't hard hedge. Principles don't change. I either blow them in, or I blow by, back off. Now, defense, you are going to attack the screen. You are going to attack pass dribble, creep, short roll. No, you're trapping it. Right there, short roll. There's going to be a tag here. So if you long roll, he's going to steal it. So you are trapping. Try to take the ball from him. All right? And all you're doing, when you see he's above you, so you know what he's doing. I push off your palms. Push off your inside foot. Stretch. Pocket pass. Now, he's playing 4 versus 3. This corner man might have to come in. Corner kick. That man might come in. Pass fake kick. Corner kick. You teach them to pass. Now you can other coaches out here to mix up the defense. Sometimes, ready, set it, short ball, set it, short ball, But the handle is blitz or trap, which is inside foot push, stretch it back. Take the trap, one reverse pivot. Here, right here. And now I make plays. All right, let's get it going. Corner, corner. Here we go. I'm on it. Go. Here we go. Go, go. Trap, 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 trap. Here we go, switch. Go, switch, rotate. Go, go. Come on, come on, come on. Ah, so look. Eyes, video game. His eyes are down, come. He threw it right into his leg. Read his feet, read his hands. High pass. Low hands, high pass. Now you're teaching them how to fish. You're not just fishing for them. You're teaching them how to use their brain. You're teaching them how to use defense. They'll pick it up right away. Go again. Go. 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 Hey, the other part of this drill, hold on.
Ça pour vous, est-ce que c'est un exercice qui est plutôt basé sur l'offensive ou sur la défense?
Every defensive drill, even though we're working on offensive threes here, we're also, with the second unit out here, they're working their ass off on defense.
Donc coach insiste que même sur des exercices qui sont basés sur la défense, ça va également beaucoup aider sur les qualités offensives de vos joueurs à s'adapter. Et sur les tirs, toujours dire aux pivots, aux intérieurs, d'aller prendre le rebond sur chaque tir.
He gets inside and knocks out the offense. One of the few guys that do it in the NBA. It's a trick. If you teach their bigs, they will kill it. So here's how we do it. So ready, go, walk, go, walk, walk. Good. Tap, kick, shot goes up, freeze, freeze. fake, you drive it, work on your finishes. You do two-ball line, if you only have one basket. Sometimes you go to a closing gym, they give you one basket, 12 guys, that's a great way to get everybody's shots. Then you back them up, you work on changing speed, boom, 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 get in here, play on two, shot fake, double shot fake, triple shot fake. No young players are doing that. But the pick and roll drill, 10 minutes, you can get 15, 20, 30 different pick and rolls, and you can determine the read. Maybe next game you watch the video and you see all the tracking all the pick and rolls. So you work on it here. So they're ready for the inside foot push off, the short roll, tag, rip, kick out, offensive rebound. So it's not that you prepare practice. If the team is in a drop, so the big is coming up, he's dropping, and he's worried, he's letting his guard, rear view challenge, he's staying with the roll. You work on him, engaging the big, he'll be convinced to pass. If he doesn't commit, lay that shit up. But you're teaching them to use their brain. Their eyes are key. Coach your players to use their eyes. It's something not a lot of coaches teach. Most kids come to the pick and roll, got their eyes down, or they're looking at their man. I don't even look at my man, I can feel my man. I see the man, I see everything. I can also see this tag. So get here with me, man. So as I come off, come here, man. Come on. Screen. Roll, you're on defense, my man. As he rolls, tag. Roll, he tags him, I kick to his man. It's called reading the tag. And good defense, this guy's good. He fakes, tries to get a steal. You know, sometimes he tags, if he sees his head down, he doesn't see the pass. But you can determine those reads as a coach by putting your assistants out here, putting your scouts team out here, telling them how they want to play based on how you're going to play against team.
C'est aussi basé sur comment vous avez besoin de préparer vos matchs. C'est toutes ces situations-là que le coach aussi a montré aujourd'hui, possible sur un seul panier, pas besoin d'avoir le terrain entier. Et c'est des exercices qui travaillent à chaque fois, même si c'est basé sur l'offensive ou sur la défensive. C'est des entraînements et des exercices qui vont vraiment faire travailler l'entièreté des joueurs sur le tir, sur le rebond, sur le double pas, sur la défense, sur les écrans, sur la vision. Ça va vraiment aider à tous nos joueurs à travailler tous en même temps et pas basé que sur une seule partie.
Watch any NBA game with great players, shoulders, inside shoulder, outside hand. They shot fake. They pass fake. Right? Watch them. They all do it. Watch their footwork. Watch their pass fake. Kevin Durant shoots 100 shots. 100 of them have perfect baskets. Best shooter in the NBA. Steph Curry. 100% basket, every single shot. They find that middle, to really help the shooters increase their percentage.
Et donc notamment sur le backspin qu'on a vu au tout début du clinique, ça va être super important de vraiment accentuer et vraiment regarder si nos joueurs accentuent vraiment leur backspin, parce que c'est des choses que les meilleurs joueurs NBA à l'heure actuelle font, et c'est quelque chose que certains joueurs, surtout les jeunes joueurs, doivent répéter. Avez-vous des questions? Est-ce que vous pouvez poser certaines questions? Est-ce que tout a été plutôt compris, cette explication? Si vous n'êtes pas d'accord peut-être sur un des exercices, n'hésitez pas à le dire. Et encore une fois, c'est une opportunité pour les coachs d'être créatifs et de voir ce qui a fonctionné en match, voir ce qui n'a pas fonctionné en match, et répéter ces situations, et les répéter plusieurs fois. Donc ça, c'est super important. Et tous les exercices que le coach a présentés aujourd'hui, c'est des exercices qui ont été faits sur le terrain, qui ont été faits avec les joueurs NBA, et qui ont été testés, et pas seulement sur papier.
Last bit, coaching. A lot of these drills, I didn't make these drills. I watched another coach, and I stole that shit. That is a great drill. I wrote that down. Maybe I added a few things, but watch YouTube videos, watch the great coaches. Look at the tools that they says to you, and use those to teach them. I'm trying to show them some more. We're short on time, but I gave you a pretty good package of stuff to help you offensively, especially on the technical league, and you saw some of the technical defense as well.
Et une grande partie aussi pour les coachs, c'est super important de répliquer ce que vous voyez par exemple sur les exercices qu'on peut présenter aujourd'hui, mais également sur d'autres situations de match que vous pouvez trouver intéressantes. Et c'est vraiment prendre certaines parties d'autres coachs et après les répliquer en match. Donc là, on est un tout petit peu short en termes de timing. C'est pour ça que le coach a présenté certains exercices, il n'a pas non plus tout montré, mais c'est aussi des techniques que vous pouvez répliquer par la suite pour vos entraînements.
Make you feel like you care about what I was teaching. I go some places, coaches are sleeping, smoking cigarettes, they're talking. It makes me feel like I'm wasting my time. You guys asked me, every single one in you was phenomenal. I hope I gave you some stuff. I know if you work on this stuff, it will make your team better. Make sure they practice at game speed. In game situation drills, changing speed, staying low with their eyes up. Those little things never change. With the ball, without the ball. Right? All those are very important. Those are principles of playing self that never change.
Tout d'abord, coach, il est très reconnaissant de votre attention et il a été déjà dans des situations où les coachs n'étaient pas forcément hyper réceptifs à son clinique. Donc, il aimerait déjà tout d'abord tous vous remercier pour votre attention. Et deuxièmement, il aimerait rappeler un petit peu les principes, notamment de vraiment forcer vos joueurs à être toujours en game speed, toujours à mettre de l'intensité maximum, toujours à regarder et à lire, notamment sur les pick and roll, et à appliquer les fondamentaux qu'on a parlé un petit peu plus tôt dans la clinique.
Making your players tough, strong, physical, teaching them to use their body. It's fun beating the shit out of them. I feel good about myself. I let them go, you lost it. Bam! You'll make them tough. You'll increase their confidence. You'll teach them how to use that inside shoulder, outside hand, make a shot fake. Right? You can foul them so they work out making man runs. But it was a phenomenal teaching tool. I have nothing to do with this company. I don't make anybody off it, I believe in these. They're the only ones you can buy. If I wish the rest of the coaches think I made the pieces, I wish I give them more free advertising all over the world without a penny for it.
Ouais, je pense que tout le monde a compris. Coach recommande vraiment d'acheter ces outils. En tant que coach, ça va beaucoup aider nos joueurs sur finir avec le contact, mais aussi sur tous les autres aspects de la partie physique. Pour vos joueurs, et c'est aussi super cool pour vous en tant que coach de pouvoir mettre un peu d'intensité et prendre du plaisir aussi dans vos entraînements. Grand merci aussi aux joueurs et à la coach. Donc coach recommande avec tous les exercices que vous avez fait aujourd'hui de toujours avoir cette imagination que vous êtes en plein match. Donc ça va beaucoup vous aider par la suite dans un match, ça deviendra beaucoup plus simple parce que vous n'aurez pas besoin de vous forcer à faire quelque chose que vous ne faites pas d'habitude. Donc coach insiste vraiment sur la partie où tout ce que vous faites, même que ce soit sur un shoot, soit sur un rebond, soit sur une passe, toujours être en situation de match.
I get helping coaches, because they need to increase my life value. I want to thank you guys so much.
Coach, ainsi c'est un entraîneur de nombreux Hall of Famers aujourd'hui en NBA, mais le vrai plaisir qu'il prend, c'est à travers coacher ces jeunes générations et faire en sorte que le basket continue à progresser dans la bonne direction. Merci à tous d'être venus.